Hey, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the igniter on your LG dryer. If you experience symptoms like your dryer not heating, taking too long to dry, it might be time to check or replace this part. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this job, we're going to need a power tool with a Phillips bead, a flat-blade screwdriver, a short Phillips screwdriver, multimeter, and a vacuum cleaner. The igniter is mounted at the end of the burner bracket inside the funnel at the bottom front. When the igniter gets hot, it opens the gas valve and ignites the gas. To check if the igniter even turns on, take out 3 Phillips screws from the back of the dryer's top and slide it out. Then turn the dryer on for time-dry normal heat and dim the room lights. Within a minute, you should see the red light glow under the drum in the front right corner. That's the igniter getting hot. If it's not, we need to run a resistance test. Don't forget to unplug your dryer or turn the breakers off. And also turn the gas off. With the top panel removed, locate the PCB housing mounted in the center. Remove 2 Phillips screws to free the housing. Using the flat-blade screwdriver, undo the tabs and open the cover. Unplug the black relay and yellow YL3 plug. Set your multimeter to resistance, horseshoe-like sign, to K ohms, and touch with meter probes the blue wire at the relay and number 3 gray or black wire at the YL3. You should read between 50 and 800 ohms. If the reading is way off or there is an open circuit, the igniter is doomed. Move to the front and pull the water tank drawer on the left and remove the water tank. Using the flat-blade screwdriver, press the locking tab up from underneath the drawer and take it out. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove 2 screws, one on each side of the drawer opening. Move to the right corner and remove 1 more Phillips screws from the back of the control panel. Disconnect control board plugs, pull on the top and remove the control panel. Open the door and remove 4 Phillips screws, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Next, remove top Phillips screws that hold the front panel. Use a flat-blade screwdriver to release the catch on the top right and tilt the front panel for about 1 inch. Disconnect the white and the pink plugs from the door switch and the light and remove the front panel. Remove 4 Phillips screws from the top of the front bracket and take the bracket away. Get down and disconnect the sensor plug on the right. Next step is to take out 2 Phillips screws on each side, lift up and remove the front bulkhead. I recommend wearing gloves for the next step. Don't get shy, get on your 4 and reach under the drum from both sides. Push up the idler pulley and remove the belt of the motor pulley, pull on the belt and slide the drum out of the cabinet. You may clean the dryer. Using a vacuum cleaner, carefully not to break the igniter, clean the lint out. Get to the rear and clean the duct pipe. Unplug the igniter. Using the short Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw and lift off the old igniter. This is the old igniter next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Carefully not to break, holding it by the metal bracket only. Mount the new igniter on its bracket, match the holes and the top notch and carefully secure it with a Phillips screw. Plug the igniter in. Don't get lazy, we still need to put it all together so it can be called a dryer again. Place the belt on the drum with the ribs inside. Install the drum inside, make sure that the rear edge is on the 3 rollers. Place the gloves on and dive under the drum. Loop the belt over the idler pulley, push the idler pulley up and install the loop over the motor pulley. Slowly turn the drum 1 full turn manually to check the belt position. Bring and install the front bulkhead. Make sure all support rollers are under the drum. Lock the front bulkhead into 4 pilot holes on the sides and secure the bulkhead with the 4 Phillips screws. Install the top front bracket. Lock in the side hooks and secure everything with 4 Phillips screws, the longer ones on the sides of the cabinet. Get down and connect the sensor plug on the right. Bring the front panel, install it on the bottom hinges. Tilt it forward, reconnect the white and the pink plugs. Using the flat-blade screwdriver, lift the catch on the right upper corner and secure the front panel with 4 Phillips screws. Open the door and install 2 Phillips screws at the bottom and 2 Phillips screws at the top. Install the lint filter. Mount the control panel. Install 2 Phillips screws on the sides of the dispenser drawer opening and 1 more from back in the right corner. Connect all the plugs. Install the top panel, push it forward to lock, and secure with 3 Phillips screws from the back. Install the water tank drawer in. Lift the tab with the flat-blade screwdriver and push it in. Place the water tank inside the drawer and slide the drawer in. Plug the dryer in and don't forget to open the gas. Great job replacing the igniter on your LG dryer. You can now remove ropes from your patio. We hope this video helped you get your appliance back in working order. Share your repair experience in the comments below. We would love to hear your success story or any additional tips you might have. If you still need to order an igniter or any other replacement parts, simply grab your dryer's model number and visit appliancepartspros.com. Most orders arrive within just a couple of days, so you can have your dryer back to optimal performance in no time. Thanks for letting us guide you through this repair, and we look forward to assist you with your new next project.